What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into one of the most interesting AI development battles of 2025, Lovable versus Cursor. Now, this might seem like an odd comparison at first, but hear me out. Both of these tools are revolutionizing how we build applications, just in completely different ways. If you've been wondering whether you should jump on the no-code AI train with Lovable or supercharge your existing coding workflow with Cursor, this video is for you. I'm going to break down everything: their approaches, strengths, limitations, pricing, and most importantly, help you figure out which one fits your specific needs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when to use each tool and which one might be the game changer for your projects. So let's get started. First, let's understand what we're actually comparing here, because these tools come from completely different philosophies. Lovable is the conversational AI app builder that's making waves in the no-code space. You literally chat with it in plain English, describe your app idea, and it generates a complete full-stack application for you. Front-end, back-end, database, authentication, the whole package. It's designed for entrepreneurs, founders, and anyone who wants to turn ideas into functional apps without writing a single line of code. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-powered code editor that's built for developers. Think of it as Visual Studio Code's smarter, AI-enhanced cousin. It doesn't build apps for you. Instead, it makes you a dramatically more efficient programmer. It can write code with you, understand your entire code base, refactor complex functions, and even predict what you're trying to build before you finish typing. So we're essentially comparing a build-it-for-me approach versus a help-me-build-it-better approach. Both use cutting-edge AI, but they serve completely different workflows. Now, let's talk about who these tools are actually for, because this is crucial for making the right choice. Lovable is perfect for non-technical founders who have clear app visions but don't know how to code. I'm talking about entrepreneurs who want to validate business ideas quickly, product managers who need functional prototypes, and startup teams who need to build MVPs without hiring a full development team. It's also great for experienced developers who want to rapidly prototype ideas or handle simple client projects without the usual development overhead. Cursor targets a completely different audience. This is for developers who already know how to code but want to code faster and smarter. Whether you're a solo developer working on side projects, a professional developer at a company, or a student learning to program, Cursor amplifies your existing skills. It's particularly powerful for developers working on complex code bases where understanding context and maintaining consistency is crucial. The key difference? Lovable replaces the need to code while Cursor enhances your coding abilities. So let me walk you through what it's actually like to use each platform, because the experience is night and day. With Lovable, you start a conversation. You might say something like, "I need a task management app for freelancers with project categories, time tracking, and client billing." Within minutes, you're looking at a fully functional web application with a professional design, user authentication, a database backend, and all the features you requested. The magic is in how natural it feels. You're describing your app the same way you'd explain it to a friend. If you need changes, you just keep chatting. Make the sidebar blue and add a calendar view. Done. Integrate Stripe for payments. Handled. It's genuinely impressive how quickly you can iterate on complex features through simple conversations. Cursor works completely differently. You're still coding, but with an incredibly intelligent AI pair programmer. As you type, Cursor understands not just what you're writing, but what you're trying to accomplish. It can auto-complete entire functions, suggest better implementations, and even write complex features based on comments you leave in your code. What's really powerful about Cursor is its code base understanding. You can highlight a section of code and ask it to explain what it does, refactor it for better performance, or adapt it for a different use case. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, but one that never gets tired and has perfect memory of your entire project. Let's be honest about what each platform does well and where they fall short. Lovable's biggest strength is speed and accessibility. I've seen complete beginners go from idea to deployed app in under 2 hours. The generated code is clean, follows best practices, and you own everything, meaning you can export it and hand it to developers for further customization. The visual results are consistently impressive, and the built-in integrations for services like Stripe and Supabase save tons of time. But Lovable has limitations. It struggles with highly complex business logic or very specific custom requirements. If you need deep customizations or want to integrate with obscure APIs, you might hit walls. It's optimized for common app patterns, not edge cases. Cursor's strength is in amplifying developer productivity without compromising control. You're still writing code, so you have unlimited flexibility. It's particularly excellent at understanding context, maintaining code consistency, and helping with complex refactoring tasks. The AI suggestions are surprisingly accurate, and it supports virtually any programming language or framework. Cursor's limitation is that you still need to know how to code. It makes good developers great, but it won't turn a complete beginner into a developer overnight. You also need to set up your own hosting, databases, and deployment pipelines. Cursor is purely focused on the coding experience. Let's talk about the financial reality of using these tools. Lovable keeps it simple. Free tier for public projects with basic usage limits, and $25 per month for unlimited private projects. For what you get, full stack app generation with hosting capabilities. That's incredibly reasonable. Most people can validate entire business concepts on the free tier. Cursor offers a free tier with basic AI features, but the real power comes with their Pro plan at $20 per month. This gives you unlimited AI requests, advanced models, and priority access. For serious developers, this is a no-brainer investment. The productivity gains easily justify the cost. The key difference in pricing philosophy: Lovable charges for the apps you build, Cursor charges for the AI assistance you receive. Here's my practical advice on when to choose each tool. Choose Lovable if you're a non-technical founder. With a clear app vision, you need to validate ideas quickly with functional prototypes. You want professional-looking results without learning to code. You're building common app types like marketplaces, SaaS tools, or content platforms. Or you need to hand off working code to developers later. Lovable is perfect for the idea person who knows what they want but doesn't want to become a developer to get it. Choose Cursor if you're already a developer or serious about learning to code. You want maximum control and flexibility over your applications. You're working on complex projects that require custom solutions. You value the learning experience of coding with AI assistance. Or you're building applications that need specific performance optimizations or integrations. Cursor is ideal for developers who want to code faster and smarter, not replace coding entirely. So, after extensive testing with both platforms, here's my honest take. These aren't really competitors, they're tools for different stages of the development journey. If you're in the idea validation phase or need rapid prototypes, Lovable is absolutely revolutionary. The speed and ease of use are unmatched, and it's genuinely changing how non-technical people can bring their ideas to life. If you're serious about software development as a craft or career, Cursor is a game changer. It makes you a better, faster developer while keeping you in complete control of your code. My recommendation: if you're just starting out with app ideas, begin with Lovable to validate and prototype quickly. Once you understand what you're building and need more control, consider learning to code with Cursor's assistance. That's my complete breakdown of Lovable versus Cursor. Which tool are you more excited to try? Are you team build it for me or team help me build it better? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. I've got plenty more platform battles coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.